Last year, I made a 12-foot dining table for a friend. And here it is, a 12-foot by 5-foot beast. This thing was challenging, but we got it done. It took me about 5 months, which is probably too long, but yep. And he never paid me. He said the check was in the mail, and it just never showed up. Well, guess what finally did? I did a whole video about this process, about he never paid me. And the whole thing will be linked down below if you haven't seen it. It was one of the more popular videos last year, so you may have. Either way, I got a surprise about 2 weeks ago when my wife came to me and said, "You got a check for something." I was like, "What?" I didn't even recognize the company it came from. I guess it's one of his companies that he wrote it from. But yeah, he finally paid me $2,000. And there are 3 and maybe 4 reasons why I think he finally got around to paying me. And I'll let you be the judge on which you think is the right reason. But here they go. The first reason, I think, was that he just finally remembered. I think maybe it got over and above what he was even thinking about. And then he did say to me a few times that this doesn't even move the needle for me to pay you, which is completely disrespectful. But for a narcissist like that, you know, I mean, the fact that he just forgot, it is possible. Those kind of psychopathic people do think a little differently. You know what I'm saying? I hope you don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, it is within the realm of possibility that he just forgot, because he did write me a note. I'm not going to show it because handwriting might give it away. I'm trying to keep him anonymous here. The handwriting basically said, "Hey, I totally forgot to give this to you, and thanks for the awesome table." And that was it. So that's reason number 1. The second reason is that he probably didn't have the money. I know that he has a few very successful businesses and a lot of business partners, maybe some investors. I mean, he's in it, man. He's been an entrepreneur since he's been 18 years old. So that being said, every once in a while you get overextended in a business and money can be tight. Even though your business is maybe doing 7 figures, I find that hard to believe, but it is possible that you are just so strapped to even make payroll if you have 30 or 40 or 50 employees than you are to pay a friend for a table. So there is that possibility that it was just not the right time. I did take a little more time than expected to complete this table for sure. But the fact is that, you know what? Funds maybe just kind of finally showed up and he was able to do it. So there you go. That's reason number 2. It's almost like an inadvertent shop tour because I'm moving the camera around different spots to kind of film these segments. Either way, all right, reason number 3. Okay. He finally saw the video. Now, why I think he may have finally seen the video, when I was working over there at his house, I was talking about how it's crazy that a guy over 40 now with gray in his beard is making a living on social media. And he's like, "Yeah, social media, I know nothing about it. I'm barely on Facebook. I'm not on Instagram. I've never been on YouTube. I don't really do that kind of thing." He's more just old school, no internet type of guy. Pretty crazy. Yeah, his businesses have various platforms that, you know, advertise online, but he's got a guy or a girl for that, and he doesn't touch it. So I think he may have seen the video, or at least seen something on Instagram, because guess what? On Instagram, as you're scrolling through, sometimes it says, "Hey, here's some people that follow you, follow them back." And I've never seen him on social media ever. And about 3 or 4 days before I got the check, his picture and his name was finally on Instagram, and it said to follow back. Now, that's probably it, right? I mean, I don't know. Maybe he finally got privy to it. Somebody told him, "Yo, did you see Burton made a video about this whole thing? You ought to check it out, and I would make it right." And maybe that's what he did. Either way, it is made right by now, and that is reason number 3, that he finally saw the video. All right, so the 4th reason of why I think he finally ponied up the cash is probably the most probable, but might be the most kind of outlandish to think. Well, I'll let you be the judge. All right, so I made a video about me getting shafted by making a table. Didn't pay. Then I made a video saying, how much money did YouTube pay me for that video? So I tried to make the video initially to generate AdSense to replace the money that I never got paid for the job. And then in the video that I made finally of the follow-up about how much YouTube AdSense I made from that table video, well, in that video I said there was one more thing that I think maybe has restricted him from paying. Another issue or thing that I never said in the video because I didn't think it was relevant, but I'll tell you here. And I'll let you be the judge. If this was a reason that he didn't eventually want anything to do with his table after a while, is that his new love interest, he told me that she hated it. Absolutely hated it. Thought the color of the table versus also with the color of the floor was just too much of the same color. And I wonder if that had anything to do with, well, if she doesn't like it, I'm getting rid of it and I'm not going to spend any more money on it than I already have. Behind the scenes, again, this is just speculative. She was like, I hope you didn't pay him for that piece of crap. Even though it wasn't a piece of crap, it's a pretty nice table. And in some relationships, the guy just has to acquiesce and say, no, honey, I didn't do that. Now, again, I'm not accusing or saying anything like this, but that is probable, okay? And maybe the fourth reason that he paid is that relationship ended. And he was like, all right, now I can finally do the right thing, which is very, unlikely, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, and those are the 4 reasons I think I finally got paid. Now, I want you guys to chime in down below. Let me know which one you think. If you think there's another reason why someone just may not pay for 8 months and then all of a sudden do it out of the blue without texting me, without calling me. Again, I've been friends with this guy for a very long time. I want to know your thoughts, so leave them down below. And again, you've seen kind of an inadvertent shop tour here. It might look like I have some machines around and I'm doing something here. Yes, if you're new to the channel, I do. I do make relatively a living from this. From what you see here, I make parts. I do small scale manufacturing to make organizational products to help you get organized in your shops. That's what I do. So if that is any interest to you, check out the links down below. And I appreciate you guys watching thus far. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts. And it's nice to give you this update. And I am very grateful that he finally did the right thing. Never too little too late. All right, guys. See ya.